Hindi ko masusurvive ang Monday kung wala akong kape. Super hectic talaga always ng Mondays ko. And sobrang bilis ng weekend. Parang hindi ko siya naramdaman. Like, I feel like I need more rest. Pero, ayun, it's currently 12:08 p.m. I've been working since 7 a.m. Non-stop, by the way. Ganun ka busy yung Monday ko. It's the busiest day of the week. And I feel like I need to have brunch muna kasi yung susunod na gagawin ko is kailangan niya ng fuel, kailangan niya ng brain power, and hindi ko makukuha yun kung wala akong pagkain. So, yeah, actually hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko pa rin siya naiintindihan. Pero I'm going to figure it out somehow. Hopefully. And I'm just glad na all of my morning deliverables are done na. Hinuli ko talaga yung pinakamahirap kasi kailangan kong mag-mentally prepare for it. Anyway, I have to cook some food muna. Naglagay ako ng pimple patch. Kasi nagbe-breakout ako dahil sa dami ng shoots na mini-makeupan ako palagi. Anyway, I'm craving for a corned beef and egg sandwich. So, we're gonna make that. Although, expired na yung tinapay ko. Nag-expire siya nung Feb 2. Pero wala pa ako nakikita na mold. So, gagamitin ko pa rin siya kasi sayang. Okay, so this is going to be our brunch. We have toasted bread, corned beef and egg, and then Vienna sausage. Usually, nagwo-working lunch ako, pero since I've been working nung 7 a.m. pa and dire-diretso, I feel like I deserve a break. And I'm probably just going to have a very peaceful, work-free lunch while watching Hell's Kitchen.
Public. Meet you at the restaurant. You're gonna love this place. Can I get change?
Okay, so magko-quick grocery run lang ako kasi I want to get some like fruits and other healthy options kasi recently sobrang lala ng pag-order ko. Like puro ko takeout, puro ko fast food. And I want to be able to make better choices in terms of what I eat. So ilalagay ko yung better choices na mas accessible sa akin. So bibilhin ko na sila and hopefully magawa ko kasi otherwise sayang. Uuwi ako saglit, ibababa ko yung mga pinamili ko, tapos pupunta ako sa gym because it's a leg day! So, tapos na ako mag-grocery, guys. Konti lang naman yung pinamili ko. Like, actually, apples and bananas, tapos eggs lang. And then, ngayon, nasa Jollibee ako because nagki-crave ako ng ice cream and ng Chicken Joy. So, consider it a pre-workout meal, I guess. Na-realize ko na hindi pala ako pwedeng mag-gym. Kasi if leg day today, kailangan kong pumunta sa office tomorrow. So baka hindi ako makabangon. And usually, I do leg day pag wala akong plan the next day. So siguro, mag-leg day na lang ako on Friday. Tapos today and tomorrow, jogging. Or actually, today lang, para may one day rest ako. Because it has been a long week. Office day! So, super aga ko today. It's 6:45, I think. And this is the earliest ata na pumunta ako ng office. Kasi usually, I just wait for the rush hour to be over. But today, aagahan natin. Kasi una sa lahat, gusto kong umuwi ng mas maaga. Pangalawa sa lahat, kailangan naming pumila for the annual physical exam. So, hopefully, matapos ko yung mga kailangan ko before that para wala akong paproblemahin during the actual exam. Tapos after that, lunch lang and then uwi na. Tinatamad ako mag-office actually, pero oh well. It's another office day. But you know what? It's okay. Thank God it's Friday. I can't wait for this week to be over. And thank God I have my coffee. Because lifeline ko talaga kape. This is Pickup Coffee's iced cinnamon oat latte. So, first time ko siya itatry. So, medyo maraming ganap today. I need to finish all the work that I need to get done for the whole week. Kasi, ang dami kong ginawa Monday to Wednesday. And yung ibang tasks na hindi masyadong urgent, nag-spill over siya until today. So, I want to get everything done already. Holiday sa Feb 17, yun na lang yung kakapitan ko. Okay, back to work. Okay, so I just got home and I've officially logged out for the weekend. Tapos, dapat mag-gym ako, kaya lang super init pa sa labas and ayokong maglakad ng super init. So, I'm probably going to wash my makeup brushes first para habang may araw pa, matuyo sila. Like, itatry ko silang ilagay kung saan nandun yung araw para mabilis silang matuyo. Tapos, I'll just go to the gym after, I guess. Sana hindi na mainit kasi nakakatamad maglakad pag super init pa. So, dahil ayokong lumabas nung may araw pa, ayan, madilim na. So, magpe-prepare na tayo for the gym. First is, magtatanggal ako ng makeup. Super lala nung pimple ko na to. Siguro dahil sobrang lala din ng stress ko this week, but buti na lang effective yung pimple patches na ginagamit ko. So, medyo wala na siya. Now, we're going to prepare my protein drink.
Malapit ko na siyang maubos, guys. Pero, bumili na ulit ako ng bago. So, Friday today. So, hindi ko alam kung maraming tao sa gym. Kasi, iniisip ko, since it's a weekend tomorrow, most likely people are going to be hitting the gym. But at the same time, since it's Friday today, a lot of people would be, out, hanging out with friends, going to bars. So, if maraming tao, magdadala ako ng book, and this is the book that I'm reading now. Malapit ko na siyang matapos. And then this is my journal. Kasi ang tagal ko na hindi nag-journal. Lahat ng journal entries ko nasa phone. But ayoko ng digital. Mas gusto ko na meron akong physical and gusto ko na nagsusulat. So baka i-transfer ko. And then I bought this notebook kanina lang when I went to KKV. Kasi parang gusto ko magkaroon ng journal ng mga natutunan ko from books or articles or kung ano man yung binabasa ko or pinapanood ko. So gusto ko lang magkaroon ng very accessible na list para if ever na kailangan ko ng brain refresher or something, andito lang siya sa notebook na to and pwedeng ito na lang yung basahin ko and it's going to be enough na. So ayun. Sana walang masyadong tao pero prepared tayo.
Good morning. Today is Valentine's Day and it's currently a little before 6 and my boyfriend is already on his way here. Super morning person niya. I don't even know. After work and gym yesterday, tinamad na akong kumilos and kailangan kong maglinis. Although, hindi naman kami magsistay dito, but like, we're going to the gym, and then we're going for a swim, and then go back to his place, and that's where we're going to stay for the weekend. But, yeah, anyway, this has been one of the most exhausting weeks that I've had for as long as I can remember. And, super nilook forward ko talaga tong araw na to. We're not big on, like, celebrations na gagastos, lalabas. So, today is going to be a very slow, very chill day. So, ayun. Maglilinis muna ako.
Okay, so that concludes our Valentine celebration. Ang daming nangyari na hindi namin planan because yun nga, the plan was just gym, swim, and then go here. Pero what happened was, nagkaroon ako ng spontaneous idea na magpagupit. And I did. And then we had a very quick dinner or lunch and dinner, and quick grocery trip for some snacks, and then Zagu, tas umuwi na kami. This is the haircut, by the way.
Say hi.
Hello.
I asked them if pwedeng mag curly cut, pero I'm not sure if this is the curly cut, pero I just know that it's face framing, and then they styled it in waves then with just a brush and a blow dryer. And I got it done sa cash and carry sa Jessie Mendez. I freaking love it. Like, super ganda ng quality for the very affordable price. Super ganda ng service. Like, 5-star, 6-star, 7-star, whatever. Sobrang ganda. And nandun si Jessie Mendez. So, wala lang. But like, yeah, this is the haircut. Kita nyo ba yan? Super ganda. Can you imagine? I went from having to beg for a Valentine gift or just a simple flowers man lang, or yung typical, kahit nga yung yung 50 pesos na balloon sa gilid ng kalsada na helium na usually binebenta. I used to have to ask for that. And now, I have someone who shows up at my door at 6:30 in the morning with a pot of flowers, my favorite food, and a whole day planned ahead. And he was more than willing to stray from what was originally planned para samahan ako na sa pagiging spontaneous ko. And I really appreciate it so much. Because like, for me, ito yung all's well that ends well. So,